Hello students, in this class I will discuss the numerical on simple machine. Question first. Calculate the ideal mechanical advantage of a lever in which the effort term is 60 cm and the load arm is 4 cm. Solution. As we know, in this question effort arm and load arm are given and we have to find mechanical advantage, and we know for the lever mechanical advantage is effort arm upon load arm. So effort arm is given 60 cm, load arm is 4 cm. So this will be 15, and as we know mechanical advantage is unitless, so 15 is answer. Now next question. A crowbar 2 meter long is pivoted about a point. 10 cm from its tip. Now calculate the mechanical advantage. And second question. What is the least force which must be applied at the other end to displace a load of 100 kg force? Solution. As in question given is that a crowbar which is 2 meter long and it is fixed about a point 10 cm from its tip. Okay, so as we know crowbar is a first class lever. First class lever means in this fulcrum will be in between the load and effort. Okay, since full length of crowbar is given 2 meter means, and it is given that load arm is 10 cm. Why load arm is 10 cm? Because it is fixed about a point 10 cm from its tip. So load arm is given 10 cm. Now what will be effort arm? It will be 2 meter means 200 cm. So it will be 190 cm. So now we can solve, because as we know from the formula for lever that load into load arm equals to effort into effort arm. And in this given load, as it is in the given in the question that load of 100 kg force means load is 100, load arm is it is 10 cm, effort we have to find, and effort arm which is 190. So effort will be 1000 upon 190. And when we solve this, then we get 5.26 kg force. So effort means the answer for B, that what is the least force which must be applied at the other end to displace a load. so it will be 5.26 kilogram force. And for part A, that it is asked mechanical advantage, and as we know, mechanical advantage is effort arm upon load arm. Effort arm is 190 and load arm is 10. So mechanical advantage will be 90. Now next question is a nut which can be broken by applying a force of 40 kg F, means kilogram force, is broken by using a nut cracker having its handle 20 cm long. By placing it at a distance 2 cm from the calculate the minimum force needed to break the nut. Solution. As it is given in question, a nut which can be broken by applying a force of 40 kg force, and it is broken by using a nut cracker having its handle 20 cm long. As we know, nut cracker is a second class lever. Second class lever means it have the load in between the fulcrum and effort. Means if its length is given, which is 20 cm, so it is effort arm is given 20 cm. By placing it at a distance 2 cm from a hinge, means we can draw a rough diagram. Nutcracker is given. Suppose it is nut. Its total length is given, and it is fulcrum. Here the position of load, and here we apply effort. So this distance will be this distance 20 cm is given, so it will be effort arm. And it is given in question that nut is placed from the fulcrum by 2 cm, so it will be load arm, because as we know, load arm is the distance between load and fulcrum. So, and what is asked? It is asked that the calculate the minimum force needed to break the nut. Means effort is asked in question. So now we can apply the basic formula, load into load arm equals to effort into effort arm. Load is given, which is 40 kg force. Load arm is given, which is 2 cm. Effort we have to find, and effort arm which is 20. So effort will be 80 by 20, means 4 kg force. So minimum force needed to break the nut will be 4 kg force. Okay. Next, a fire tongue of length 28 cm of mass 250 gram. If he applied the effort at a distance of 7 centimeter from the fulcrum find out the effort and take G equals to 10 meter per second square. Now solution. As we know, fire tongue is a third class lever. Third class lever means fulcrum will be at one of the side and load will be at the other side, and effort will be in between of these two positions. Now, since in this given load, piece of coil and mass is given 250 grams, we have to find out load. Load means weight. So which will be mg. So it will be 250 m into g, means 250 kg into 10. It is given in question that we have to take G equals to 10 meter per second square. So it will be 2.5 Newton. Now, as in this question it is given that fire tongue is of length 28 centimeter and it is third class lever. Third class lever means it is the distance between load and fulcrum. So load arm is given 28 centimeter. And it is given that he is applying effort from the fulcrum at a distance 7 centimeter. So it will be effort arm 7 centimeter. Now we have to find out the effort. Again the same formula, effort into effort arm equals to load into load arm. Effort we have to find, effort arm is 7, load is 2.5 Newton and load arm is 28. So effort will be 2.5 into 28 upon 7. When we solve this we get 10 Newton. So effort will be 10 Newton. So for solving the numerical based on lever, first we have to decide, we should decide that which type of lever it is, because only then we can decide the position of fulcrum, effort and load, and by determining by locating the position of these 3 points we can find out the load arm and effort arm, and then we can apply formula easily. Okay student, thank you. In next class we will start the next chapter, measurement. Okay.